Hi, my name is Alyssa Kuzmarov, and I have an organization called Production Oracle, Oracle Productions. I've been working in schools with youth, with community centers for over 15 years now. It's true, I hesitated, doing film and filmmaking and writing and music types of workshops. I think it's extra important to do right now because youth in schools are going through so much. They have so many extra restrictions and extra stressors and extra anxieties. And filmmaking is such a powerful way of getting people to tell their stories, of making meaning of what's happening to them, which I think is especially important right now to have youth articulate those kinds of things, but in a fun way, in a meaningful way, in a way that's that like they love video, they know video, it's their worlds, they're just so connected to it, even more so now because we've been isolated in these bubbles surrounded by media. So having them be active participants in media, active players I guess would be better, in media, and actively making media and making stories and making people laugh or making people feel things versus just passively receiving all the media that they're bombarded with all the time is extra important during these times. And the other thing to say is, yeah, it's their world. So filmmaking is fun for them. It's a great way to have people express themselves and work together and create things that they can be really proud of.